Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel policyplanner.com. So friends, as we all know that health insurance has been the very important aspect of financial planning which can hinder our financial planning at a greater extent. So it's good to have the better health insurance plans to protect our family. So friends, let's have a quick look towards our website, that's the policyplanner.com, which offers you various types of insurance such as term insurance, health insurance, car insurance, bike insurance, travel insurance, investment plans, child plans, guaranteed returns plans, home insurance, corporate insurance, group mediclaim and a better claim assistance service. We are a certified license by the IRDAI with the license number 22. We have a rating of 98% till date by our customers. You can go through our blogs and articles for the better assistance. We have a tie-up of more than 27 companies which are leading in the health insurance brands right now. So now let's get back to the main purpose of our video. In today's video, we shall discuss about the health insurance plans of SBI, that is the State Bank of India. State Bank of India and the IAG, that's the Insurance Australian Group. Now let's talk about the plans. The plans which SBI Insurance is offering are SBI General Arogya Plus Plan, SBI General Arogya Premier Plan, SBI General Arogya Top Up, SBI General Retail Health and SBI General Arogya Sanjeevani Plan. So today we shall discuss about the Arogya Plus Plan. Arogya Plus Plan offers you a plan tenure for 1, 2 and 3 years, and for family floater for 1 year. You can opt for a family floater plan for the size of 2+2. Arogya Plus Plan offers the plans to individual without any medical checkup up to the age of 55. It offers you a multiple coverage options of individual and family floater. OPD expenses are covered, 142 daycare expenses are covered, a pre-hospitalization of 60 days and a post-hospitalization of 90 days is covered under this plan. Maternity expenses are also covered up to the OPD limit. Sum assured options you can opt for is 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. It also provides the tax under the section 80D. Room rent, boarding expenses, medical practitioners' fees are also covered under this plan. Intensive care unit, that is the ICU, is also covered in this plan. Nursing expenses, anesthesia, blood, oxygen, operation theatre expenses, surgical appliances, medicines and consumable, diagnostic expenses and X-ray, dialysis, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, cost of pacemaker, internal implants and any medical expenses incurred which is the integral part of operation is also covered within this policy. Physiotherapy as inpatient care and being a part of the treatment. So physiotherapy is also covered in this plan. Drugs, medicines and consumables consumed during the hospitalization period is also covered in this plan. Ambulance cover is given up to the amount of 1,500. An alternative treatment which is the reimbursement is given for the Ayush treatment. Ambulance cover is given up to the amount of 1,500. An alternative treatment which is the reimbursement is given for the Ayush treatment which is taken in government hospitalization or in any institute recognized by government and or accredited by the Quality Council of India, National Accreditation Board on Health. Domiciliary hospitalization is also covered at a reasonable and a customary charges towards the domiciliary hospitalization. So these were the great features of the plans. Now we shall talk about the exclusions of the plans. So the exclusions of the plan is that there will be a specific waiting periods for some illnesses. So let's get towards the exclusions of the plan. Pre-existing diseases, which means that if you're having any diseases before taking the plan which will have a waiting period of 48 months, that is 4 years, which are known as the pre-existing disease. A 30 days exclusion for any illness after the policy inception, that is the start date, and accidental injury will be covered from day 1. First 9-month exclusions for maternity expenses. Foreign treatment will not be covered within this policy. Injury, disease caused through nuclear weapons epidemic diseases recognized by the WHO. War, acts of foreign enemy, hostilities, etc. will not be covered. Cosmetic or anesthetic treatment of any description, LASIK treatment of refractive error, any form of plastic surgery will not be covered in this policy. Treatment of de-addiction from drug or alcohol or other substance, any condition directly or indirectly caused by or associated with human immunodeficiency viruses or variant mutant viruses or any syndrome conditions of similar kind commonly referred to AIDS. So these diseases such as AIDS, HIV will not be covered under this policy. Vaccination on or inoculation aspect as part of post-bite treatment for animal bite, treatment for any mental illness or psychiatrist or psychological alignment condition, genetic disorders and stem cell implantation surgery restoration, treatments in health hydrospas, nature care clinics and the like, experimental and unproven treatment, diseases, illnesses or injury whilst performing duties as serving members of a military or a police force. So these were the major exclusions of the policy. So keeping the exclusions aside, this was a great plan which came across of SBI health insurance. Hope you liked our video and will be helpful for you. Please do like, subscribe and share our YouTube video to your friends and family so that even they can take the greater advantage of this plan. Thank you for your valuable time.